This is a St. George bound local train.
The next stop is
Arthur Kill.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
this is
Kill. Transfer is available to the S78 bus. This is an accessible station. The ramp is at the front of the platform. This is a St. George bound local train.
The next stop is
Richmond Valley.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a St. George bound local train.
the next stop is
Pleasant Plains.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
this is
Pleasant Plains. Transfer is available to the S55 bus. This is a St. George bound local train.
the next stop is
Prince's Bay.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Attention everyone, this is the last stop on this train. Please exit the train. Thank you for riding with MTA Staten Island Railway.